Welcome Easy Education Online. Take your time to subscribe before proceed. Thank you. Today lesson: Infections and Diseases. Part 2. Welcome. Cholera. Causes.
Bacteria called V. cholerae, found in water contaminated by feces from disease carriers.
Transmission.
Through direct contamination of food or water by feces as a result of poor hygiene.
Symptoms.
Watery diarrhea, vomiting excessively, body weakness, fast pulse, loss of body weight, severe dehydration, tightening of muscles with cramps in hands and feet.
Prevention.
Provision of clean and safe drinking water, heating food to high temperatures, keeping food, drinks covered, washing hands before eating, wash fruits, vegetables in safe water, proper sewage treatment and sanitation, improve personal and public hygiene, proper use of toilets, treating carriers of the disease to break the cycle, and vaccination.
Effects.
Severe diarrhea, damage to cell lining and intestine. Delay in treatment can lead to death.
Malaria. Causes.
4 parasites of the genus Plasmodium. P. malaria, P. vivax, P. ovale and P. falciparum.
Transmission.
Mosquitoes carry the Plasmodium and infect humans by biting them.
Symptoms.
High fever, dizziness, joint pain, headaches, sometimes vomiting.
Prevention.
Attack the source, interrupt transmission, protect the host.
Effect.
Delay in treatment can lead to death.
Thank you. Join us on the next part. Remember to subscribe to our channel to be the first to get any new update. Welcome again.